Welcome back to the engine history. In today's video, we're going deep into the technical workings of a classic timber sawing setup. It includes a crosscut swing saw and a case tractor. This is pure mechanical machinery. There is no hydraulic system and no electronic intervention. The main power source for this saw rig is a steel-wheeled case tractor. Its engine is a low-speed design. It uses large pistons to produce torque at low RPM. The key component here is the large steel flywheel mounted on the side of the tractor. That flywheel stores energy to maintain crankshaft momentum when the saw blade starts biting deep into hardwood grain. Power from the tractor is transmitted to the saw through a wide, flat belt. This long belt drive method helps absorb sudden shock pulses. It protects the saw shaft if the blade binds or if the log has hard knots. Next is the crosscut swing saw. This unit converts the belt-driven rotary motion into a back-and-forth linear stroke of the saw blade. The saw's rotating shaft is connected to a steel connecting rod. As the belt pulley turns, the connecting rod drives the saw arm along a fixed sliding track. This blade is a long, thick type designed to cut logs with large diameters. The operating principle here is gravity-fed cutting. The heavy saw arm's own weight forces the blade down into the wood without any additional artificial downforce. The teeth are ground to a specific angle so sawdust clears quickly. That prevents blade overheating when cutting oak or other hardwoods. If you want deeper breakdowns of specifications and restoration methods for vintage machine tools, please subscribe to the Engine History. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified for the next technical analysis videos. Your support helps the channel cover the cost of collecting and maintaining this technical documentation. To position logs for cutting, this setup uses a log carriage system running on iron rails. The carriage frame is built from hardwood to withstand direct compressive forces from logs weighing multiple tons. On top of the carriage are iron clamps that lock the log firmly to the frame. This ensures the cut does not twist or drift off center. The operator controls the carriage, feeding it forward gradually in step with each saw stroke. These older machines have a major advantage. Their construction is open and exposed. All joints, bearings, and connecting rods are easy to see and easy to service. As long as lubrication is maintained at friction points, the system can run continuously for long periods with few major failures. This is a durable mechanical design philosophy. It prioritizes real-world working function over aesthetics. Thank you for watching this technical breakdown from the Engine History. If you have questions about connecting rod specifications or the belt pulley ratios in this system, please leave them in the comments below. Goodbye, and see you in the next machine teardown video.